Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into the SOXL. Our initial report was published on Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 22nd, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 5.55. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of 0.37%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.12% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario often represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $40.51 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first sign of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately negative 38.37% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 65.48% to negative 33.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 98.21% over the next year, with potential returns between 49.11% and 289.66%. This translates to a price range of $55.72 to $145.62 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price fell more than 7.5% Monday, closing at $37.37. The SOXL ETF price experienced a decline of 7.5% on the last day, which was Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, dropping from $40.40 to $37.37. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 9.16%, ranging from a low of $36.91 to a high of $40.29. The price has been quite volatile during this period, yet there has been an 18.97% gain over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is considered a positive sign, as the trading volume should typically follow the ETF's movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 85 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price of $70.08 and its lowest price of $14.01. Currently, the price stands at 46.68% or $32.71 below the 52-week high and 90.12% or $340.87 below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. SOXL has faced considerable challenges recently, having fallen approximately 52% since its peak in mid-June, a trend that mirrors broader market vulnerabilities. Earlier in the year, the fund experienced substantial gains, doubling in value between April and June. However, the current trend suggests that investors are exercising increased caution. The leveraged nature of SOXL magnifies both risks and rewards, rendering it particularly sensitive to market fluctuations. Recent developments within the semiconductor sector fueled by renewed interest in artificial intelligence technology, hint at the potential for a rebound. Many semiconductor stocks are viewed as undervalued following a significant pullback in the tech industry, presenting possible opportunities for growth in the near term, provided stability is maintained in the sector. Nonetheless, external factors, such as the unwinding of the yen carry trade, add complexity to the outlook, contributing to heightened volatility and risk for SOXL holders. Inflows into leveraged exchange-traded funds have been robust, indicating a strong investor appetite. However, the risk of accelerated decay remains a concern in turbulent market conditions. In the short term, the prospect of a market turnaround could propel SOXL higher, especially if the semiconductor sector regains its momentum. Nevertheless, looking at the long-term horizon, persistent worries about market volatility and the elevated risks associated with leveraged products like SOXL may likely keep it under pressure, necessitating a cautious approach from investors. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term developments. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $39.78 and $43.41. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and so far it has declined by 10.45%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 93 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. To discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 35 and 31.46. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at 35. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at 31.46 and 29.34. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant daily movement, characterized by high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the fund moved 3.38 between its high and low, or 9.16%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 8.75%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $37.51. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider swing trading. On the downside, SOXL has its first support level at $35. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop-loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of August, we expect SOXL to open higher by 82 cents and commence trading at $38.19. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.